Welcome to PaidToday, how to create a sales pipeline or a CRM pipeline, um, a way to track your customer's journey through your sales process. We call them pipelines, and they are located over here on the left sidebar under CRM. Go ahead and open that up, and then go ahead and click Pipelines. And you can see we've got two there, but we're going to create a new one up here on the top right. Go ahead and click that. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a title, and let's just say First Contact Pipeline. And we'll go ahead and click Save. And then once we've got it saved, we can go back to the pipeline by clicking on the breadcrumb up here for pipeline. And we can see we don't have any steps in this yet. Now pipelines are consist of steps, and each step is kind of like maybe a milestone in our sales process, or whatever your kind of key factors are to track your clients as they move through from either a prospect to a customer or and beyond, whatever you want this to be. So we can go ahead and let's just say they submitted on our contact, our lead capture form. Lead capture form submission, and then we'll go ahead and click add step. And so we've got one there, and then we're going to go ahead and add another step, and let's say follow-up email sent, add step, and then we'll say email responded. Did not email not respond. So that's going to be a pool of kind of people that just didn't get back with us from our emails. And then what we're going to do is booked appointment consultation, we'll call it. Add step. And then we'll say confirmed appointment. And then we'll say did not confirm or canceled. I think that's it. Okay, so we've got a pretty good amount of steps here. And we can scroll left and right so we can see the whole system here. And so if we imagine they sent a lead capture form from our website, they submitted a form with their information. We send them an email saying, hey, thanks for your submission. Let's get in touch. They say, okay, great, let's do that. You can send them the booking information or whatever. They don't open it, in which case they would move into did not respond, and then they book, confirm the appointment, or did not confirm. And so we kind of have two pools here where people drop off. Either they didn't confirm, they're stuck there, or they did not respond to the email. And then what we could do with these people is move them into a separate pipeline, which would be trying to recapture their attention and kind of follow up with these people and give them a chance to resettle in with you.